Hey everybody, it's Alexis from thebedfordlife.com with a friendly reminder, more like a shove, to tell you that there's only 10 days until Mother's Day. Like, stop slacking and start shopping. Here are 18 great gifts that Mom will absolutely love this Mother's Day. I want to be very clear that prices and availability are subject to change at any time. What I'll do is leave direct links in the description box below that will take you either to thebedfordlife.com to purchase the aprons or directly to Amazon to buy the rest of the products featured in this video. And there you have it. Great gifts for Mom that she will absolutely love this Mother's Day. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.